All right, folks, welcome back. Well, here it is. Here is the final build of the cavity frame that I was going to give away. As you can see, it is a bit different than the live stream. Some of those components just did not work out. The camera, for instance, man, that was my first time trying that camera. I don't recommend it. Too big, too heavy. The smart audio didn't work on it for some reason. So I just swapped it out for one of these. This is the, it's like the one that comes in the Mobio 7, except for it doesn't have smart audio, which really doesn't matter since your channel button is right here. It couldn't be any easier to change. This is a AKK camera. If I wanted smart audio, it's literally like a $10 option. So it's almost double the price of this camera. This camera's 16 bucks versus it's like 25, 26 for the one with smart audio. This is plenty for this build. And the motors, I had to change the motors out. The motors I built on the live stream were 5,000 kV. On 2S, they flew really well, but I know better, and I know what 7,500 flies like, and it just wasn't exciting. So 7,500 kV, a Maxino 1103s on this one. Same flight controller, same frame, same props. Those 5,000 kV ones went into this guy, which is 3S with the Gep RC 12 amp F4 all-in-one. This thing, friggin' rocket ship. Definitely much harder to build, that 3S quad, just because of the way the board's laid out. But anyways, here is the final build. This is the one that is being given away. I'll be rolling some video of that flight on this in the background here. So simple rules, just like all the other YouTuber giveaways. In this video, one comment only. If more than one, you'll get disqualified, blah, blah, blah. You know how that all goes. You need to have your subscriptions open, or your subscribers open, or however that works, so that when I click on your name, if I pull your name, I can see that you're actually subscribed to my channel. And if you're not, or you didn't follow, or I can't find it, then sorry, I'm gonna have to move on to the next person. It's to keep people from just commenting on every video they see where there's something free. This isn't supposed to be a sub grab, but you know, I gotta have accountability somehow. Also, this is kind of a thank you to everybody. I'm over 2,000 subs. I can't believe that I'm that far along. Couldn't thank you guys enough. So this is my way of giving back. And this, again, is partially sponsored by Banggood. They provided, I'd say 75% of the components that went into this build, so I could bring it to you guys as a giveaway. And I know there's mixed feelings on Banggood, but if you're outside of the US, they're an awesome supplier, because that's about the only way you're gonna get parts. Inside the U.S., a lot of local suppliers or local hobby shops are starting to get wise, and they're stocking these things. You know, components to build microquads. They're figuring out where the market's going. But again, I can't do this without Banggood. Banggood has been a awesome supporter of mine. I appreciate everything they do. I would appreciate it if you folks would click on the affiliate links next time you go to Banggood to purchase stuff, or if you want to buy parts to build one of these, if you happen to unfortunately not win, please click those links. It helps me out tremendously. Just like all the other YouTube reviewers out there, that it costs you nothing, but it benefits us greatly, depending on who you decide to support. I hope you support me. And again, if you want my frame, the link to the Etsy shop will be in the description of this video. Also, my CLI dump for this build will also be down there. One of the things I found out while building this, I was having a horrible time with roll twitches at full throttle. Turns out hand drilling these props is way harder than it seems. I've had pretty good luck with the last like 6 sets I've done, but this set didn't work out so well. Turned out if you build this and you have horrible twitches or really weird oscillations, and you're hand drilling props, it's gonna be a props. Get different props. I see Pyro actually has props like this one, the Who Cares props with the pre-drilled holes in them. These things are really nice. Highly recommend those, but I happen to have a stockpile of the King Kong, so I'm gonna keep using these. These are extremely durable and they last dang near forever. All right, thank you guys for subscribing, watching. Good luck to everybody who enters. I will select a winner about a week from now, depending on, you know, life and whatnot. If you're in the US, by the way, I will ship this to you. No lipos, I'm sorry. Post office doesn't like shipping lithium polymer batteries, and I don't want to break any of their rules, and all the other shipping options are just way too expensive. If you're outside of the US, I'll cover what it would cost to ship this in the US, because it's pretty much a flat rate, minus what it's going to cost. Basically, you just pay the difference, and we can work that out if you win this outside the US. And if you get picked and you're outside the US and shipping's too much, I understand. No hurt feelings. I'll just pick somebody else. So when I do the drawing, I'll do 2 people. I'll do the winner and then the runner-up, provided, you know, if that winner doesn't get back to me or they decline it for some insane reason. I don't know why you would. I mean, free is free, even if it costs you a couple bucks. But anyway, whatever. You know, everybody's different. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Click that subscribe button, like, and share, and I will catch you next time.